Are you tired of shuffling through endless music libraries or being stuck listening to the same few songs on repeat? Well, have no fear because today's video is here to save the day. In this tutorial, we'll be exploring the wonderful world of Spotify, the ultimate music streaming platform that will change the way you listen to music forever. So, whether you're a seasoned Spotify user looking to brush up on your skills, or a complete newbie just starting out, this video will guide you through everything you need to know about how to use Spotify. From creating the perfect playlist to discovering new artists, we'll cover it all. So sit back, relax, and get ready to take your music experience to the next level with Spotify. Step 1. Downloading and signing up for Spotify. The first step is to download and sign up for Spotify. You can download the application from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have downloaded the application, sign up for Spotify using your email address, Facebook, or Google account. Step 2. Navigating your way through Spotify. After signing up, navigate through the Spotify application. You will see the options Home, Search, Library, and Premium. The Home option is where you can see all the latest music releases, podcasts, and playlists recommended for you. The Search option is where you can search for specific songs, albums, or artist names. The Library option is where you will find all your saved songs, albums, playlists, and recent searches. Finally, the Premium option is for upgrading your account to a premium membership that gives you access to more features. Step 3. Creating and accessing playlists. Spotify allows you to create and access playlists that you can add your favorite songs to. To create a playlist, click on the Create Playlist option, select a name for your playlist and add your favorite songs. To access your playlist, go to the Library option, select a playlists and choose the playlist you want to listen to. Step 4. Discovering new music. Spotify provides an excellent platform for discovering new music based on your preferences. Under the I Browse option, you can access Discover Weekly, Release Radar, Daily Mixes, and others. Discover Weekly is a playlist customized for you that updates every week based on your listening history. Release Radar shows all the latest releases from your favorite artists, and Daily Mixes are personalized playlists that combine your favorite songs with new music. Step 5. Using the Radio feature. The Radio feature is an excellent tool to explore new music based on your favorite artists and songs. To use the feature, go to the Search option, type in the name of an artist you like, and click on the Radio option. Spotify will generate a playlist of songs similar to that artist that you can sample and add to your library. Step 6. Listening to podcasts. Spotify provides an extensive library of podcasts covering various topics, from sports to politics, music, and more. To listen to podcasts, go to the Search option, type in the name of the podcast, and select the podcast you want to listen to. You can follow the podcast, download, and add it to your library. Step 7. Personalizing your settings. Spotify provides many settings that you can customize to enhance your user experience. You can change the language, streaming quality, enable a private session, or offline mode, and more. To personalize your settings, go to the Settings option, select Music Quality, choose your preferred settings, and save your preferences. Now that you know how to use Spotify, it's time to dive in and explore all the amazing features it has to offer. With millions of songs at your fingertips, there's no limit to the musical adventures you can embark on. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech tips and tutorials. Happy streaming!